Yo, what is up people, hope you guys are having a fantastic day. It's me Richie Kevin and you're watching One Step YouTube channel, and this video is on Gusto Payroll. So for those people who do not know Gusto Payroll is a company who manages their payroll. So basically if you enter the amount and the date, then basically it's gonna pay the money to the person whom you want to pay on that date and that amount. Alright, basically this is just like some feature of it. There's like a lot of feature of Gusto, so if you guys want to know more about it, you can visit his official website to know more about it. But this video is on how you guys can log in into Gusto Payroll. So follow the steps which I'm gonna be showing you, but before I show you the steps, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. Let's jump right into the video. First step, you want to go to your search engine and you want to search for Gusto Payroll. After you click on it, you want to click on this where it says Gusto Login. Once you click on Gusto Login, it's going to take you to Gusto's login page on its official website. Once you're over here, you want to enter the email address of your Gusto account and password of your Gusto account. After doing that, you want to click on sign in. And if the information you typed over here is correct, then basically you should be able to sign in into your account. If it is incorrect, you're not going to be able to sign in into your account. So double check and enter correct information over here and click on sign in. You should be able to sign in into your account. And if you created your Gusto account using Google, Xero or Intuity, then basically you want to click on these three options, whichever thing you used to create your account. After clicking on that, it's going to ask for the information, and after it asks for the information, you want to provide the information it asks you, and basically you guys can be able to log in into Gusto account. And if you don't have a Gusto account, you can just scroll down a bit and click on where it says want to sign into our company with Gusto, and you should be able to sign in into Gusto. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys were, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.